In this video, we are going to learn how to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us see the problem. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Let us solve this one. It is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. They have asked us to find whether they are consistent or inconsistent. How will we know? We have to find out the ratio a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. If they are not equal, then they are consistent and intersecting. If they are equal, they are inconsistent and are parallel. Now, let us find out a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. This is a1, this is b1, this is a2 and this is b2. So, a1 by a2 is 3 by 2, b1 by b2 is 2 by minus 3. They are not equal. Therefore, these set of linear equations are consistent and intersecting. Now, solve them graphically. That means we have to draw a graph and find the solution of this set of linear equations. Now, let us take this point as origin O with coordinates 0, 0. Then you have positive x-axis here and negative x-axis here. This is minus x. This is positive x-axis. And this is y-axis and this is negative y-axis. So I have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on, and plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 and so on. Similarly, I will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on y-axis and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 on y-axis. Now, let us take some points. Let us take x as 0. What is y? Y is equal to, let us take this first one. Y is equal to 5 minus 3x by 2. So, 5 minus 0 by 2 is 5 by 2, which is equal to 2.5. Now I have taken this first equation, and points on the first equation are, next one is 1. If I take x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 5 minus 3 into 1 divided by 2, which is 5 minus 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So I am getting 1. Now let us take minus 1 as x value. What will I get? 5 minus 3 into minus 1 divided by 2. Minus of minus will become plus. 5 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So I got points as 0, 2.5. The next one is 1, 1 and minus 1, 4. These are the points of first equation. So let me draw this line. 0 is x value, and what is the y value? Now, when x value is 1, y value is also 1. When x value is minus 1, y value is 4. So I got points like this. So I get a line which passes through these points in this manner. Now this line is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Now let me write the points of this equation. How will I get y value? Minus 3y is equal to 7 minus 2x, or otherwise 3y is equal to 2x minus 7. So y is equal to 2x minus 7 divided by 3. So when x is equal to 0, 0 minus 7 by 3, which is equal to 2.326. 1 is remaining. I put point here. I get 0. 3 3s 9. So this is recurring. So I can write 2.3. Now let us take x is equal to 1. What I get? 2 into 1 is 2 minus 7 divided by 3. 2 minus 7 is minus 5 divided by 3. Minus 5 by 3. The value of minus 5 by 3 is 3 ones are 3. I get 2 here. 3 6 are 18. Again I get 2. So this is a recurring decimal which is having, when I round it to the nearest tenths place, I get 1.5. 0.67 or 1.7 approximately. Now let me take minus 1. If I put minus 1, I get minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, minus 7 by 3. Minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9 by 3. 3 is 9. Therefore, I get minus 3. Here this is minus 1.7. So let me mark this one. The first point is 0 comma minus 2.3. The second point is 1 comma minus 1.7. And the third point is minus 1 comma minus 3. Minus 1 and minus 3. Again 1 and minus 1.7. Again I have 0 and minus 2.3. So when I join the line, I get a point of intersection, which is the solution of this pair of linear equations. In the next video, we'll solve some more problems related to pair of linear equations.